DJM TV.
Southeastern governors unveils Ebube Agu security network. Hey guys, welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. This is your one-stop channel for everything news happening in Nigeria and all around the world. If you're new here, a very big welcome to you. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also like and share this video. Now, let's tell you what's happening with the southeast of Nigeria. The southeastern governors of Enugu State, Anambra State, Imo State, Abia State, and Ebonyi State has come together to unveil their own southeastern security network, which is called Ebube Agu Security Network. Acronym ESN. Yeah, you heard me right. ESN. Same acronym with Eastern Security Network. Now, if we remember closely, in the year 2020, the western side of Nigeria released its own security network, which they called Amotekun, a name for the leopard, which is known for its giant strides. Now, the governors of the 5 eastern states have given their reasons for forming their new security outfit. Dr. Okezie Ikpeazu, who is the governor of Abia State, has said that they have come together as the governors of the 5 eastern states, which is plagued by violence and terrorism, to come together to form a security network which will enable these 5 eastern states to fight insurgency, terrorism, banditry, kidnapping, and pockets of violence in their states. While speaking in a meeting, Dr. Okezie Ikpeazu explained the reason why the Southeastern Governors Forum came up with their own security network. Now, Ikpeazu said that the operatives of the Ebube Agu security network would oversee and monitor the activities of the already existing vigilante groups in the southeastern states. He said, and I quote, "Today we have come together to synergize and to see how best we can protect lives and properties of citizens within this geopolitical zone." He further added that security situation across Nigeria as it is dynamic, and we are just trying to respond to our peculiar circumstances in the southeast. Now, he was asked, with the security operatives of this Ebube Agu security network, would they have uniforms? Would they have arms? Would they be carrying arms? Or what would be their mode of operation? Although Governor Ikpeazu did not specify if the members of Ebube Agu will be made to wear uniforms or to bear arms, he said that what's more important for himself and his colleagues, who are the governors of the 4 other states of the southeastern parts of Nigeria, is that the region would cooperate to ensure that the operatives of Ebube Agu are properly equipped. Now, Ebube Agu Security Network has its headquarters in Enugu State, and he has said that Ebube Agu will be a security outfit that will carry out its operation, and as the name confirms, it's going to make sure that the name, purpose, and action for the group is fully carried out, and of course, it will be fully equipped. He has also said that we have called for synergy with the vigilante group, and that the Ebube Agu security network is going to be highly intelligent based. Meanwhile, people have come out to condemn the formation of the Ebube Agu security network. First of all, it has the same acronym with Nnamdi Kanu's Eastern Security Network. Both of them, their acronyms are ESN. And so somebody took to Twitter and said ESN is ESN. Whether it means Eastern Security Network or it means Ebube Agu Security Network, it doesn't matter. As long as it is ESN, that they do not have a problem with it, and as long as the security outfit carries out its job, that there will be no cause for alarm in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Now, of course, what prompted the formation of this Ebube Agu Security Network, according to Governor Ebube Agu, is the ongoing reports of series of unrest in the southeastern region of the nation, which recently included the burning of police stations, attacks on correctional facilities with unlawful releases of inmates, and of course, attack on security personnel, natives, farmers, and of course, herdsmen in the state. And just like its counterpart in the West, Amotekun, the newly formed outfit has been charged with the responsibility to coordinate the activities of vigilante in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Of course, let me tell you some of their duties. Now, first of all, they will be first duty will be security awareness, creating security awareness, gathering intelligence report, to be a channel for security alarm, and all states takes responsibility for their respective security affairs. They will be exchanging intelligence in a seamless manner, checkmating crimes in the southeastern zone, and of course, they will mitigate or reduce to the barest minimum attacks on communities, and then to prevent loss of lives and properties. Now, Ebube Agu means fear of a lion in Igbo language. Now, during the meeting in the Imo State capital, Owerri, where the southeastern governors met to agree on the formation of Ebube Agu, some other decisions were made by the governors. First of all, the southeastern governors said that they stand strong with the federal government on the issue of security challenges in the country. And they've also said that they are on the same page with the federal government to fight terrorists and bandits to the end. The governors also agreed that the acting Inspector General of Police and other security service chiefs should invite the leadership of the Ohaneze Ndigbo and Khan to find out the reasons for the increasing insecurity in the southeast. They have also placed a ban on open grazing and has said Ebube Agu Security Network will implement the ban. They've also said that the acting Inspector General of Police should send monetary units to the state, which will allow the commissioners of police, state and zonal commands to handle their own cases. In the meeting, they also agreed that military policing in the southeast should be well funded so as to make it effective. They have also said to fast track crime busting in the southeast, that the heads of security agencies should be mandated to bring a list of what they would need in form of logistics and materials for sustainable success in the fight against criminality, so that the leadership of the Southeastern Governors Forum will be quick to provide these logistics. Finally, they agreed that the political leadership of the Southeastern states should come together and bring all they have together as one united zone to fight and flush out criminals and terrorists from the southeastern part of Nigeria. Meanwhile, the Igbo National Council, INC, has come out to say that the Southeast Governors Forum are not serious with their launch of the Ebube Agu Security Network in the southeastern region of the nation. The President General of the INC, Mr. Chilos Gossent, said that the decision of the governors to form the Ebube Agu Security Network in the region amounts to betrayal to all Igbos, adding that the outfit will not be accepted in the region because it does not have legal backing. He has also called the decision of the southeastern governors to form the Ebube Agu Security Network as a joke, because he does not believe that after the so-called intellectual exercise of the security summit held by the southeastern governors of the zone, that a decision as low as forming a regional vigilante security outfit would be their decision. He said it is unacceptable for the governors of the Southeast zone to hold such a summit meant to be a serious affair without thorough consultation with and inclusion of serving and retired senior military and police officers of the Igbo extraction. It's a total betrayal and sabotage of the Igbo nation for the governors to have invited Fulani military and police officers into such regional security summit. He further said that we have also noted that the purported Southeast Vigilante Security Network has no legal backing, as none of the State House of Assembly in the zone has passed it into law. So we're afraid that the Southeast governors are playing with the scribes of the jihadist Fulani. The Ebube Agu, as they call it, may be conduit for surveillance and intelligence gathering against self-determination groups based in the southeastern zone. And as such, the Igbo National Council has urged the governors not to adulterate or to give bad name to the already existing Operation Ije Agu. And he said, finally, that we condemn in its totality the process of formation and announcement of the Southeast Regional Vigilante Security Outfit, codenamed Ebube Agu. Now, let's not forget that following Nnamdi Kanu's formation and subsequent announcement of his own Eastern Security Network to combat the menace of the herdsmen and farmer clash in the southeastern part of the nation, that the governors of these 5 eastern states revolted against Nnamdi Kanu's formation of ESN, stating that he had no legal right to form any security group in Nigeria because he has been proscribed as a terrorist. What do you think about the Igbo National Council's comment on the formation of Ebube Agu, which is a Southeast Regional Vigilante Security Outfit? Are they correct? Or do you support the formation of the Ebube Agu Security Outfit in the southeastern part of Nigeria? Drop your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to like and share this video. Well, this is where we come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and turn on the notification bell. Well, we'll come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. Do not forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. Like, share, and subscribe. Check us out at www.djmtv.news on our website, where we drop news 247. And also, you can place your advert with us at DJM TV and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, I come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Lauro Favor.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV.
Let's go. Mado.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM